360-degree motorcycle ride. The bikes are a Big Dog, an American Ironhorse, and a Harley Davidson. This video was made with the Insta360 One X. It's a great 360-degree camera. You can take regular pictures also. It's extremely small and it does a great job. As you can see here, there's many effects that you can get with it. I didn't use them all in this particular one. Now, I do have a link in the description below directly to the manufacturer's site. Since it films in 360, all the movement is done in post-production, and it has, as you can see, terrific stabilization.
Hey guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.